Hello guys, what's going on? Today we're going to talk about Baseball 9 and I'm going to show you guys step by step in this tutorial that how I managed to find a mod which gave you unlimited diamonds and coins also inside of the game. So practically with this mod you can do whatever you want inside of the game, guys, and I'm going to show you immediately the game. I just enter right now, and as you can see right over here I'm generating so many of them, and I'm going to show you step by step that how I did it. Okay, just to show you a little bit of the mod. For example, I can go and just buy coins because we have a lot of diamonds. As you can see, we made it changed immediately. Let's do another one. Pay attention to the coins. As you can see, everything changing. And with this mod, you can go also to upgrade, downgrade. For example, we can go to the uniforms. You can change it. For example, in this one, we can buy it. Okay. As you can see, here we are. Okay. For example, okay, just to upgrade my players a little bit. Okay, guys, you can customize, for example, the players like you prefer. For example, you can go, I don't know, face, you want to change it, you can do it, for example, like this. Okay, we can do everything you like, guys, because we have a lot of money and we can do whatever we prefer. So this method I pointed out, guys, is working for the both devices, iOS and Android. And today I decided to show you the steps with my Xiaomi phone, which is an Android. I already tested also in my iPhone, which are the same steps also for the iOS users. If you want me to make a tutorial for the iOS users, guys, just hit me up on the comments below, and I'm going to make also a tutorial with my iPhone. But as I mentioned before, the steps are the same, so I don't think you're gonna face any problem. But anyway, for any kind of reason that you might have, you want me to make a tutorial for the Android users, I will do it without a problem for you guys. Okay, I just wanted to show you that this is the latest update, guys. Just let me show you this. For example, yeah, we can just exit. I'll go to the app info. As you can see, it is the version 3.1.2, guys. All right, so this is the latest update of the game, and I have already the mod of the latest update of the game. Okay, so for example, you can go to the users, as you can see right over here, 3.1.2. So I'm just showing this, that it can be any skeptic one that is telling to me this is not real. This is real, guys. As you can see, I'll do also a short gameplay for you so you can see it by yourself. I was already skipping right now the games just to show you the twinning. Okay, wait, I'm gonna switch this part. I like to shoot better. Okay, let's go. Here we are. All right, not so bad. As you can see, everything works perfectly fine for me, guys. Okay, and the same way it's working also for the iOS users. So I'm not going to stay too much inside of the game, so I don't make the video too long, guys. I will go immediately to show you what you have to do and where you have to go in order to get it also in the game. Okay, so guys, before we start the loading process of this mod, which is going to generate the coins and gems in your game, you just need to make sure you're gonna have good connection with internet. So it will be good you get connected with any Wi-Fi and also have same time active the mobile data. So for any kind of reason, the whole process doesn't interrupt because of internet connection. Okay, and then all you have to do, you just need to go to internet browser. You can use any kind of internet browser that you prefer, and all you need to do, you just need to type in searching bar about this website, which I'm going to type for you guys immediately, and I'm going to focus it right now for you. You just need to enter inside of this website. Just a few seconds to get connected. Okay, here we are inside. You just go immediately to the searching bar on the top, write the name of the game, and as you can see right over here, you have the information. You just press in the middle and then press the green sign of download now. It will start the loading process of the mod. So by the end of this process, you're going to be able to install the mod on the game, and it will start to generate the coins and gems for your game also. Okay, So this is my video tutorial for the day, guys. I hope it was helpful and useful, and before you leave this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the like button. I just wanted to mention to you before I leave, so I don't forget, if to any one of you it will show up any extra step in the end of the process, this is because of the region where you are located, guys. And if it's going to happen, just make sure you're gonna complete it and you're gonna be able to get this mod same as me, okay? So this is my video. Thank you for watching. Cheers.